morning, good afternoon and good evening. It's Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing, and today I'm going to be going back to an old site from last year and the year before as well, and I'm going to be doing Chesterfield on the River Rother. So due to the floods that's been in the area, there is a lot of metal back in the area again, so I'm just going to have another fish and clear a bit more. Generally there isn't a lot of keepers, but at least it cleans the environment, and that's what it's all about. So this area here is the area I'm going to be fishing, and I have got the tripod down there as well. So if you do fancy taking up magnet fishing, go over to KratosMagnetics.com and they will be able to sort you out with any of the items that you need. There is shipping and import duties outside of USA, but the products are very, very good and super strong. You won't be disappointed with those. And if you want a discount on any of the products, put in Lee Cuts. That gets you 12% off products when you go on to checkout. Thank you. So today's shout out is going to be Let's Get Magnetic over in New York, United States of America. Go and check them out, like, subscribe and comment. They've had some amazing finds recently. Please be sure to check the videos and click like, subscribe and put a comment on a video. If you don't comment, the subscriptions may not stick. So please comment on videos. So on that particular cast, we've got large bolt, metal angle iron, a large pin, fixing pin from a bridge. We've got bits of wire, nondescript plate metal, big thick cast bits, we've got these things, don't know what they are. Got rusty nut there, nails, what's more, bits of plate metal, and as you can see, lots of broken shards, just nondescript metal. Got a bit of metal smelt, furnace waste, large bolt, and there is still illegal dumping of car parts further up, about half a mile away. Get these parts, and they're fresh, so they're just getting pushed down by the river current. I've seen oil barrels, petrol cans, fuel, all sorts of random rubbish, and spray bits as well. It's all getting dumped in the river, and it's disheartening, but we'll keep going. We'll get what we can out. Quite a lot on this one. So we've got this large piece there, iron frame, bit of an old can, a hook with a fixing washer, a drill bit, we've got furnace waste. This metal clip, which I'm going to reuse as a portable tether. A large drill bit just there, industrial engineering, and lots of small fragments. And on that one, just got this small chisel type item. It's got a slope just there. So just had this out. It's a very early blacksmith's hammer. Very nice. And this has come up. It's a very large industrial nut. Still got the thread inside. 1860 to 1900 sort of date. And this piece, it's got a bolt, but there's some copper wire hanging off it there, so that will be taken to be broken down. This, which is a large clump of metal, various bits inside it, bolts and things, plate metal. Just had this large file there. So that's a quite good condition one. Do get a lot of these. Just had this railway connector, chain connector. These used to hang on the wagons in threes to couple up. Just had this out, which is a very early 1800s hammer. It's got a point on the end there. Blacksmith tool. These do clean up nice. The large bits of metal there, bars, things like that. Just had this piece out. Very heavy. No idea what it is. It's probably part of an ingot. And just there, we've got a small collection of shrapnel shards. Some's very sharp, like this one. But these are all from World War II, 1940, 1941 sort of date. So this is all the scrap that's been moved up from the side of the river. All this, bits like that, and lots of these ingots, things like this. They're at least 2-3 kilo a piece. All these bags, small bits, heavy bits, just nondescript metal. There's a shopping basket there as well, and that's going to be transported over a bridge down to the roadside, and I'll film again when that's actually done. Scrapman is on his way, so it's not been a bad day. All that, estimated weight around about 400-500 kilos. So yeah, it's out the environment, that's the main thing. Got a few keepers like the shrapnel and things. So there we are. Area's all clean, tidy. Scrap's gone. Scrapmans are taking it away now. There's the area that I was magnet fishing, all nice and clean. As you can see, the river is still in flood, not as bad as it was, but it's getting there. But just looking at the height of the debris from all the way down there, the water had actually risen a good 12 feet up there and all the way up here. So yeah, that's where I've been today. Chesterfield River Rother. There we go folks, scraps all loaded. Area's all nice and clean. Spot on job again. So I've always been a firm believer of supporting small business. If you see a product that you like, regardless of who's selling it, feel free to contact that person, because you will always get something made with quality and expertise and professionalism. Don't forget, Christmas is around the corner, so always check out those small businesses. And just going to give another shout out to Burkle Cerakote, also to Jared O'Rea, and to Maddie's Nifty Creations as well. Go and check them out, always worth a look at. They do have YouTube channels, so don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on their profiles also. Thank you very much. So been a hard, tiring day, and weather's kept nice, but I am so tired today. So a couple of days rest I think, and do what I can then, but for now I'm beat. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I always look forward to reading everybody's comments. To all my new subscribers, welcome and thank you for joining. It really means a lot to me. But for now, this is Lee from Magnetic North Magnet Fishing. Bye for now everyone.